fog. Visibility 1 nautical mile or less. Saturday night, south winds around 5 knots. Waiting portion of the Chesapeake Bay, tidal Potomac River, and I-95 corridor through central Maryland, northern Virginia, and district of 5 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Cobb Island, Maryland, tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, until 6:30 p.m. At 4:27 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles northwest of Mason Neck State Park to 13 nautical miles northwest of Quantico to 18 nautical miles west of Aquia Creek, moving east at 2 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Potomac Creek, Widewater, Maryland Point, Nanjemoy Creek, Port Tobacco River, Leesylvania State Park, Smallwood State Park, Quantico, Reagan National Airport, Gunston Hall, Memphis Point, United States. 301 Nice Memorial Bridge, Mason Neck State Park, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Indian Head, Occoquan Bay, Fort Hunt, Pope's Creek, Brent Point, and Fort Washington. Move to safe harbor.